Hey everyone, welcome back to Jubara. It's Barb, and today we're doing something a little different on my channel. We are doing a patio makeover. It needed to be clean. I had Christmas stuff out here. I had fall stuff out here. We had the poker table out here, and it was collecting Christmas stuff, toys that we were taking out, all kinds of good stuff. So anyway, we are going to go ahead and totally redo this patio, back porch, whatever you want to call it. I'm just starting out by taking down all the crates, and then I'm going to clean off the table. I'm going to wash the walls back there. I'm going to Windex the windows and the door, and I'm just going to put on some music while we get through all this, and then we will start assembling the new patio set that we got out here, and I'll let y'all know where I got that from. But anyway, I really love the way it turned out, and I hope y'all do too. And yeah, I'll be popping on every now and then to talk to y'all. But for the most part, I'm just going to play some music.
Lately nothing goes in my direction. Lately nothing's coming my way. Keep drowning every bit of my devotion.
And I was just taking those lights down because a lot of the bulbs were actually burnt out, so they weren't working right. And then I'm just cleaning all the nastiness off of here. We do have a pressure washer, but I just wanted to scrub it down really good, so that's what I did. And there was a lot of spider webs and a lot of stuff up here, but I get it all cleaned up and looking nice again. And some of the stains did not come out, but that's just having a white trailer. For those of you who don't know, we live in a double wide, so this is what we're working with right now. We actually love it. It's not our forever home, but we really enjoy doing little stuff to it and living here. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up, and I find some Christmas lights later that I'm gonna hang back there just to give us some lighting at nighttime.
Lately I am missing my reflection. Distortion. But I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter, and to realize that the river always ends up in the ocean. Nothing we could ever do about it. Nothing we could ever do but let it flow. Motion, leave every obstacle behind. I promise it could happen any day now, and soon enough I'll also see the light, get a little glimpse of my emotions. Yeah, I will get it up, work even harder. My mama used to say that it's the way it goes. Feeling's gonna make me smarter.
something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable.
So this is the patio set that we received, and it is a YITAHOME patio sofa. I will have the link down below. You can save 20% off if you use my code. Also, if you go to the YITAHOME official website, you can get 10% off of any item in the store if you use the link. So yeah, we really enjoy this sofa. It's a tad bit smaller than we thought. Actually, not the sofa so much as the table that came with it, but it is still a really nice sofa. So if you're interested in it, I will have everything linked below for y'all. And yeah, I'm just going to show y'all how we put it together really quick. I did not film all of it, us putting it together, because we would have been here forever. It did have a lot of pieces, but it really wasn't that bad once you got the hang of it. And yeah, so anyway, we're just going to show y'all that really quick, and then we will be done.
I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful. Going crazy, oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful.
That is it pretty much for our patio makeover. Clean with me. I know it was really quick, a short little thing that I put together. I wasn't even going to film it at first, but I decided maybe y'all would want to see the patio being cleaned. And yeah, we really enjoy it. If you like videos like these, then please subscribe. I do one at least twice a week. And I will see you on the next one. Take care of each other. Love you all. Bye, guys.